Reason why I may tell you the story time, is to tell them say be careful that if people will come around on you because the girl been a come around me and I eat and I drink. I was good on my own, that's the way you were. Thinking to you, had some fun on the way you were. Leaving to you, but baby, don't get it twisted. You was just another nigga on the hit list, trying to fix any issues with a bad bitch. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. You know it's a great time. I'm back again with another video. Today's video is a story time. As you can see by the title down below, today's video is a story time about a girl who used to cover on me and the girl just never liked me. We didn't really know that she never liked me, but we never know that she never liked me. So that's she even me and my cousin. Because it hate me more than how she did hate me if she did hate me. Because the girl just despised me for some reason or not. I don't know if she jealous of me. Me not had nothing. So why you don't want jealous of me?
Sometimes what causes jealousy isn't your money, your car, or the things that you have. Because the jealous person could have that all and more. What causes jealousy is your essence, your energy, how you carry yourself, your aura, the way you manage your values in life. Those things that make you shine and no one can ever turn off, that's what causes jealousy.
Like, I never did with none of your man they met. I never name my white fool. I never kill nobody for it. I've done you no harm. So why you just not like me? The girl just not like me. Anyways, so I'm giving a story time, they're like a short story time. And I would like you to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share, leave more than one comment. Alright guys, so let's get into the video. This girl was just been having a problem with me because we don't know if she's really jealous of me or if she just go to bed one night and dreams that she don't like me, or if she just not like me, or I don't know, she just bad mind me for some reason. I don't know. Before I come back around, I'm originally I used to live down the road with one of my friends named Tanisha. We used to share a room, split the rent. If you want to hear more about that story, check out this video right up here. So when we used to live down the road, we used to have a girlfriend. Yeah, we used to have a girlfriend. Yeah, anyway, we used to see she push up herself on the girl and always, you know when somebody push up themselves on somebody, she always push up herself on the girl. But Mary, they used to pay at the man and say, any little thing girl I do for me, or say she go do for me, she always have a problem with jumping in. Always have something to say, always, have some to say. Anyway, we used to play card when we used to live around Tanisha. My grandmother died and we lived around Tanisha. And come back around my original yard. We start play card when I'm my original yard. Mind me, the guy, the members of card I play, she loved to play card, so she used to come around my yard come play card too. I know say she not really into me, but that not nothing to do with cook, knowing me love cook. But cook and I offer them food and who want food take care and who don't want food fuck you is there for me. So today we play card together and we realized that the same thing what she used to do when we used to live around the road, and the same thing she had to know. Like she don't just always open up my girlfriend. She always the bigger because she the girl kind. She always the bigger, and if like me beg the girl go KFC or buy something for me, or even if I'm not bigger by she just say something about me, the girl have something to say. Like she don't say, "Make buy KFC with you right now." You don't just broken it with you, you looking at you. What kind of marketing they have pass? Tell me now, am my woman just supposed to broke her neck for me? And all the girl that mad over me, and she's supposed to mad over me. Yeah. Cause when I saw she go crazy, so she's supposed to go crazy all over. Anyway, the girl just always no fun to me from day one. And I never really care, but I never know say I such a deep and I like me. But we're getting at the real story now. One night, everybody there and we play card and I have a drink and I smoke and everything. The girl come like she find out say, me and my cousin are talk. My cousin, alright, well me and my cousin they have some dispute. Me and my cousin never talk for a while. And the girl come and me yard. Come tell me say my cousin say a bag of something about me. My cousin said this about me, my cousin said that about me, my cousin said that about me. And I don't know if she and my cousin did have one dispute at the time because my cousin is a person like this. She ignorant. She ignorant, bad. So you and our friend now, and then next 2 days our friend because I want to have some disagreement. And next 2 days our friend again because she can't keep my list. Anyway, the girl look like she go research and find out my cousin attack. The girl come to me and tell me say, oh, my cousin this and my cousin not good and this and that. And what she do for her and what she not do for her and what she do for her and what she not do for her. And what my cousin say about me and what my cousin say about me. And what my cousin class me and this and that and Ray tell me about something and get me upset now, you know. You don't know what the girl do. The girl take out her phone when me get upset and start cuss. And start take me. Record me. The girl record when time me a cuss and I go on bad and I say things about my cousin. And she never record when time she did there. I chat the same cousin, you know. She never record when she that talk things about my cousin and I tell me what she just say. My cousin say about me. She never record that, you know. She record everything on my cousin say. She make sure that she get me real angry. She tell me something about my cousin say about me. And she record everything I'm gonna say. And you don't know what the girl do? The girl leave out her way and walk over Jerusalem Hill. Cause if you ever know which part my cousin live from which part we live, you don't call it Jerusalem Hill. You have to walk at least 1 mile out a hill before you reach. Or 1.5 miles out a hill before you reach which part my cousin live. And the girl record the conversation. She recorded no conversation because she never recorded when she did attack. So that wouldn't be a conversation when me alone attack. She recorded when time me saw cuss and I said bad things about my cousin. She recorded me and left out her way go over Jerusalem Hill. But then my cousin say me. What then my cousin say me. I said a bag of things about her and you shouldn't believe she have the recording or something. And play the recording when my cousin hear me cuss. But you know what kind of plot and scheme this girl does have against me, but me I say why me I tell the story time is to tell them say be careful that if people will come around on me because the girl being a come around me and I eat and I drink with me and I kill me behind my back. All this time when I see she have a problem with me and my girl and whatever the girl do for me never know that's what the girl like me until the other day. When my cousin tell me say somebody record me. I say a bag of things about her cousin, I say a bag of things about her and come back and tell her when we go out and brain and think me I say and most of the time when the girl come tell me say cause me no know me not say me know no matter how me and my cousin talk and people go say because it is sitting by me, I was say, yo, because I'm a mad one. So me not pay her no mind, you understand? But when we go in my brain and think, you see one girl come here and tell me something about my cousin and tell me what something when my cousin say about me and all these things and so my cousin bring me down. And when we start cause my cousin now the girl same one record me on her phone and I came back and tell me because she like me there road that talk things about her. Yeah, that the girl do. For what I don't know, I don't know what kind of pay she get. I don't know what kind of reward she get, what kind of trophy. But the girl just just not like me so. For nothing. We never never white fall. No, me never do nothing. Me never have an altercation, like we never fight. We never fuss. What is the problem? Me not have nothing where you not have. So what is the problem? Anyway, you know. Before my cousin contact me and tell me say the reason why I shouldn't talk to me so long because the person saying I want voice note. Come make sure you want record with me, I cuss her. And I said things about her. So before my cousin tell me that now, me dey up on my yard one Sunday. So my boyfriend out the door I dig down some dirt because I tell him to make one garden for me. So he might dig down the dirt now for carry the dirt come in to throw it in the garden. Me they right back at the gate because I have one gate between the room and my veranda. So me the back of the gate now. When the back of the gate now, nobody can really see you know. So me the back of the gate now I watch him dig down the dirt. When the man out there dig down the dirt, the same girl when I like me, yeah, pass a call to my man. We have pass a call to my man for girl that despise me and I like me. And I know say every day you see and me and me say I come at bus stop. And me and me say pass I go look taxi. Yeah, pass a call to my man for. Pass boy. Brother, what did you say? We not got to like but I don't remember exactly what she said. But she passed and called to him and he not answer. I never gonna get a laugh because I know that the girl don't like me, just know. You not talk to me. Me and a friend girl, me not associate. We never go to school together, we never play PE like together. We have pass a call to my man for. I don't see nothing but me so. So we didn't know when I stood up back at the gate and I smell and I said, Jesus Christ. Maybe look to see the man come. Said to me, say, I wish he. So we saw one girl from around the road and he said, I wish I called to. We said, I know the man don't look at her. But I pass a call to my man. You know him from now? I don't know man from around here. You don't know him. We have pass a call to him from. You know, say my man, you don't like me. You feel like I can't contact him? Girl, you have a next thing coming. That's why I'm not deal with man from the community because when I friend them, make them whistle and grab her and next thing when I look, one of them. So, we don't deal with man up here. Because next thing you hear say, she and the old lady, we bring him home in our community to feel myself. So, me need pass a call to man girl because you don't like me. You don't like me. So if you know yourself when you watch that video, big up and the plan will tell us say it's successful for everything we do here. I'm not know what you don't like me for. What you don't like me for, girl? Like seriously. You don't like me for? I see people do your things, do some bad things. And I see you love them. I'm never do nothing here that you just despise me. Me not have nothing, me not drive no car, me not have a big house. See, look at the tabernacle when it was a build. It was supposed to be my kitchen. But when we not have it, we have to turn it into a room and live in it. But I have, I don't have nothing for your bad mind me. So I don't know why you just despise me, you don't like me. I don't fucking care because you're not feed me neither. You're not feed me. And if you ask me, you're like a good friend because I'm not say I have no friend around you. So therefore, I tell you the story there, I tell you this. You see some people who I come around me, when you stop me, them come around because they don't like a bone below, but they still come around me. So them can see what they around me and criticize what they around me. So they can bring me down. Because they bring me down. What I don't know. Maybe I always deal with somebody where she like. But that's not get a reason to get me. Like what you want like. and take who you can take. But you know, come. Don't do it, girl. Yeah. So I'm telling you this, be careful of the friend that you wanna keep. And I think that's something I'm gonna name the video. Be careful of the friends that you keep. Or that you let running, that you let in your surrounding. Be careful of them people then. Can they just come around you? If you see what going around you, if you come finish, break down. They come like some evil spirit. Yeah. So my mama trying to be careful. Oh, we have come to the end of the story time. But I want to go short story time. But yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, share with your friends and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Oh, and we're about to make season 2 of The Struggles. If you've been following this channel, you know that movie, The Struggles, make from about 11 months ago. Yeah, whenever you know. So we're gonna make season 2 of the movie The Struggles. I hope you all stay tuned for that. And yeah, we just start filming. I don't need no, but we just, yeah, we need to keep on meeting and some and get some actors. So if you want to be in my movie The Struggles, just link me up and we do a thing, yeah. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Bye.